Christmas came early for iRobot, ticker symbol IRBT, which surged by up to 70% after reports that the White House is considering initiatives to support the U.S. robotics industry. According to Politico, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has been meeting with robotics executives, expressing full support for the sector. A government-led push could unlock subsidies, tax incentives, and R&D funding, potentially benefiting iRobot as it competes in the consumer robotics market. The surge reflects investor optimism that such federal support could help iRobot regain its footing as a key player in robotics. However, despite the potential for government support, iRobot's financials remain weak, with declining revenue, shrinking margins, and limited cash reserves. The company also faces strong competition, and its focus on consumer robotics may not align with the likely industrial robotics emphasis of the Trump administration's policy. In other financial weather, Snowflake delivered strong third-quarter results, with adjusted earnings of 39 cents per share on revenue of $1.21 billion, surpassing analyst estimates of 35 cents and $1.18 billion. Product revenue of $1.21 billion was driven by growing demand for AI-driven solutions. Snowflake reported 688 customers with over $1 million in trailing 12-month product revenue, marking 29% year-over-year growth. Remaining performance obligations, a key indicator of future revenue, rose 37% to $7.88 billion. The company's outlook for the next quarter is positive, projecting product revenue between $1.195 billion and $1.2 billion, a 27% increase from the previous year. Snowflake's deepened collaboration with Amazon Web Services (AWS) and a $200 million expansion of its partnership with Anthropic to integrate Claude AI models into its platform have bolstered its position in the AI-driven data analytics market. Snowflake also formed a new alliance with Accenture to accelerate AI and data transformation for enterprises. While Snowflake's impressive growth and market expansion are evident, its financials remain unprofitable, with challenges ahead as it competes in the evolving AI and cloud markets. As for UiPath, it's exceeded expectations in its third-quarter fiscal 2026 results, with adjusted earnings of 16 cents per share, beating the 15 cents consensus, and revenue of $411.1 million, growing 16% year-over-year, surpassing the $392 million forecast. Annual recurring revenue reached $1.78 billion, up 11% year-over-year, and the company reported $59 million in net new annual recurring revenue for the quarter. UiPath also achieved its first GAAP profitable third quarter with operating income of $13 million and non-GAAP operating income of $88 million. The company maintained a strong balance sheet with $1.52 billion in cash and marketable securities. The strong quarter led to an optimistic fourth-quarter forecast of $462 million to $467 million in revenue. UiPath's AI-led transition is seen as a key growth driver. The company has expanded its platform through integrations with Microsoft Azure, OpenAI, Google, and NVIDIA, positioning itself as a foundational player in enterprise automation. As for AST SpaceMobile, it announced 5 rocket launches scheduled between December 15, 2025, and March 2026. The first of these launches will feature the Bluebird 6 satellite, set to revolutionize cellular broadband, with the largest commercial phased array in low Earth orbit, nearly 2,400 square feet, 3 times larger than previous satellites. This satellite will offer 10 times the data capacity and aims to provide direct cellular connectivity to smartphones globally. In addition to the upcoming satellite launches, AST SpaceMobile is expanding its manufacturing operations in Texas and Florida to increase production capacity for its Bluebird satellites. The expansion will strengthen the supply chain and accelerate the delivery of high-tech manufacturing jobs back to the U.S. The company now employs over 1,800 professionals and is 95% vertically integrated, producing advanced satellite technology within the U.S. The Bluebird 6 satellite is designed with advanced cellular broadband tech, including large phased array antennas and custom power systems, enabling peak data speeds of up to 120 megabits per second. The company's partners, including AT&T, Verizon, and Google, are integral to deploying a global satellite network to deliver cellular broadband directly to smartphones. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.